everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General and a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. I needed a few things, so I also picked up some random things as well. So we're going to start out with Dollar General. I picked these Dippin' Dots cookies and cream hand sanitizers up, and you get 2 for $1. And they most likely don't smell the greatest. These are almost kind of gimmicky, but it's hand sanitizer, and I thought it would be fun when he uses his other hand sanitizer up, he can have one of these for his backpack. And I found these kid mask extension lanyard, and I thought this was kind of neat. I did grab him the dinosaur one. That was only $1. Those were $1 as well. I also picked him up another kid's face mask. This was the only boy design they had. It's a sports themed one. I did pick up the Highlands for Kids Cold and Cough. I picked up a academic planner. Not so much for academics, but for $1 I like to have a planner, and mine is almost to its end. It's one that you can fill in the dates yourself. I liked this print. They had a floral one to choose from too, and some others, but I just really liked the cheetah leopard kind of thing going on there. And I'm a part of a couple Facebook nail groups, and someone suggested these Dollar General shaped scrubbers. These are basically the nail guard sponges. These were $1, I believe, and there is 6 in here. And what they like to use them for is ombre nails or fades. They're pretty porous, really soft as well, so they probably really will work fantastic for sponging. So for a 6-pack for $1, you can't beat it. Cut them into the length you need, the shape you want, and go on about your business. So I'm excited to try these on an ombre nail to see how well they do actually work. But a lot of people actually, one lady brought it to light, but a lot of people said they've been using these for years and they're game changers. So we're gonna see. I did pick up some candles and stuff too at Dollar General. I picked up a wax from Perfect Harvest for $1, butter pumpkin. These smell absolutely heavenly, so good. You get 5 bars for $1. I thought I would try that, go back and buy more if they're great. And also Perfect Harvest dollar candles. I got pumpkin spice latte, which, speaking of which, I did try the iced pumpkin spice coffee from McDonald's yesterday, and it was meh at best. Like, it literally just tasted bitter. It tasted like the regular vanilla iced coffees. It wasn't anything special, in my opinion. But this candle smells great. And also Perfect Harvest, I got the salted caramel. I almost always buy any kind of salted caramel candles. I love bakery scents. I'm excited to try all these. Side note, my wax burner actually went kaput, so the next time I'm at Walmart, I'll be buying a new one. So I can't wait to try these out when I get a new one. Okay. Now moving on to Dollar Tree. I did pick up some fun snacks at Dollar Tree. Lately, I've been picking up snacks there for like the past couple months. I've been buying quite a few snacky items there because we've been having a bunch of movie nights. We watch a Halloween fun themed movie every night of October so far, and we are 2 weeks into October. So I picked up some more snacks, and Connor has a Halloween party at school coming up, so I picked up a couple things. I'm going to pick up some more, but I did get some Tootsie Pops, and he picked up the Googly Chocolate Eyes. These are the Double Crisp Googly Eyes. And we got these Kool-Aid popping candies to try. These for a movie night, these are small bags. They're only 2-ounce bags. This is why I picked up 2. I never have tried these or seen these at the Dollar Tree, and they are cheddar whirls. So I got 2 bags of those for movie nights. Lunch boxes or just quick after school kind of snack. I got this 4 treat pack, and it's got 2 gummies and 2 fudge stripe cookies in there. I picked these up for myself, and they're the Hershey Kisses, and they're tie-dye. How cute. is the packaging on these, but just for a chocolate fix. Connor loves his Halloween decorations and stuff. He saw these tombstones. It's just a foam, like styrofoamy tombstone. He picked the one that says beware. Like, this one's got some cracks in it. I just picked up some essentials. These went from 10 ounces to 8. I'm disappointed. But Palm Olive Ultra Strength. And I just got this back in my stockpile. Not so much that I really needed it right this second, but I love this stuff, and I just bought this small one to put back. And got John and I a cold and flu medication to just put back in the cabinet. I just like to have a stocked cabinet with this stuff. And I did pick up some of these Fisher-Price 72 count wipes. I really don't like these. They're thin. They're not that great, but for keeping in the car or purse or whatever like that, for mouth and hands, but nothing else really. I don't love these. Favorite finds, and I did pick up, let's get this stuff. I did pick up 2 books, and let's see, I'll show this one in a second. Let's talk about this one first. She Thought She Had the Perfect Family, But Everything Can Be Broken, and this is called Little Disasters. And I'll let you read the back. It does sound interesting. I was a little, I kind of put this one back like 1 or 2 times actually, thinking that I don't know if I'll be completely interested in the story, but I thought that maybe I would be. Now, this one, however, I'm pretty interested in and excited for. It's called Look Closer. These are paperback. They had a bunch of hardback books as well, and I love to read, so when I have time to read, I usually read a book pretty quickly. I've been buying books and haven't had any time to read lately. That's why there hasn't been any more DollarTree book reviews. But I do plan on continuing that series. So just stay tuned if you're interested in that. But here is the summary of this story. I'm excited to dive into these books at some point. And I found an interesting find. They always have like makeup remover towels and things like that at the Dollar Tree. This one's from Beauty Collection, and they have these in different sizes, so round ones and more oval oblong kind of shape like this. And I picked up these. I liked the green, so I picked up that. You get 2 of them in there. I will say, first impression, they are thin, but we're going to try these out. They had a bunch of, they had like a sprinkly donut cupcakey one. They had pink, they had the green, they had yellow, they had a blue, a bunch of different ones to choose from, but I just picked these up to try. Well, that's all I got at the Dollar General and Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.